Hi guys, welcome to Rust Duck Garage. Hey, take a look at this 1930 Ford Model A that we saw this morning at Cars and Coffee in Lapine, Oregon. I really like this Model A Coupe. It's an old hot rod that the gentleman built. I believe he's in his 70s here in Lapine, Oregon. But he's got the original flathead with a balanced crankshaft, pretty souped up here. Got a Winfield head on it with three one-barrel carburetors, a Mallory ignition, and a header on it. Just a really neat car. T5 5-speed transmission. It'll really get down the road good there. Some 800 series rear tires on it. That'll also help with the RPM so that this car can travel at 70 miles an hour. Just a fun car that can be driven. And here again, you'll see the three one-barrel carbs. One is a Ford and looks like a couple of Strombergs on there. The wheel tire choice is staggered, looks great. And thanks for watching Rusty Duck Garage, and we'll catch you next time.